$95,000 is what you can bring home every single year with a basic window washing setup. The secret to scaling this fast lies in a specific chemical mix that cuts your labor time exactly in half. I spent a week tracking a local operator who built a highly profitable route from scratch using simple steps. He started with an investment of only $400, which is very easy for most people to manage. Your return on investment happens within your first 3 jobs, which usually takes just one single weekend. When I first looked at his profit margins, I had to pause because a 90% margin is truly rare. If you want to make your new business profitable from day one, you must follow this exact execution plan. You charge an average price of $150 per home based on 15 windows per house. Let us do a real-world walkthrough where you service just 2 homes per day from Monday through Friday. That is 10 homes a week generating $1,500 in gross earnings for about 20 hours of work. Monthly, this modest schedule clears $6,000 while operating expenses stay under 10%. Now for that technical secret, which is using pure distilled water mixed with a specific polymer glide. This specific combination leaves an invisible barrier that prevents dust from sticking for up to 60 days. Use this technical advantage to charge a premium and lock clients into recurring bi-monthly service plans. To execute this properly, you need a specific set of professional tools that guarantees a streak-free finish. You require a 14-inch brass squeegee, a microfiber scrubber, an extension pole, and a sturdy bucket. You also need glass gleaming detergent, surgical Huck towels, and a reliable steel scraper for debris. To simplify everything, all these required tools are tagged right here in the video in one complete list. You can easily click that list and have these exact products added to your shopping cart right now. Yearly income reaches $95,000 if you maintain a steady base of 50 regular clients. Out of that annual total, your clear profit is $85,000 after replacing basic supplies. So your first action step today is to obtain a standard business license in your local municipality. Then you should print 100 flyers focusing on the 60-day dust-free guarantee we discussed. Next, distribute these flyers to upscale residential neighborhoods with large windows to secure your leads. Set up your digital payment system tonight and you will be ready to accept your first high-paying client.